Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In today's class, I'll be talking about MCQs with respect to Indian economic environment, which is the general economics paper for FYBA. So let's get started. The first MCQ is talking about the sectoral employment or the share of employment of certain sectors in the economy, and the question goes like this: which sector employs largest population? Here I'm looking at the employment of largest population in India in which sector, and the underlying options available to us are A, agriculture, B, industry, C, service, and D, none of the above. Alternatively, they can also give you options like agriculture, or in place of agriculture they will write primary, in case of industry they'll write secondary, and in case of service they might write tertiary. So this can be a different way in which they can give you the options, and here we have to guess gauge the correct answer, and the correct answer here is which sector employs the largest people in India, and it is primary or agriculture sector. Option A is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the sectoral contribution towards the gross domestic product, and the question is framed in this manner, or it can be framed in this manner, that is, which sector in India contributes largest? It can be the largest, smallest, any combination of the same. So here I am particularly asking largest share in the GDP. Who contributes largest share? The options are A, agriculture, B, industry, C, service, and D, none of the above. Alternatively, they can be written as primary, secondary, and tertiary, and the correct answer here is service sector contributes largest towards the gross domestic product. So I hope the question is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the majority of individuals in India are employed in dash sector, and the underlying options are, here I am talking about formal and informal sort of a sector. So the options are A, formal, B, informal, C, space, and D, none of the above. And it is the case in India that 90% of the population is employed in the informal sector. Formal means government sector, informal means the private sector, and you have 90% of the population working in the informal sector. So I hope this MCQ is pretty much clear. Let us now move towards the next MCQ, which is talking about agriculture sector employs dash percentage of population in India. Here the question is direct question. Here I asked you a question which was very indirect. Here I am asking you a direct question. I am asking you the percentage, and the underlying options available to us are 60%, 30%, 20%, and 10%, and the correct option here is, obviously I am saying employs largest population is agriculture, and here the largest population is employed by agriculture, meaning thereby 60% of the population is employed under the agriculture sector. So I hope this is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about which of the following constitutes as major component of service sector in India. So here I am looking at the major component of service sector in India. Service sector constitutes of, say, transportation, information technology, hospitality, something else. Yeah, so these are different services which are which form, or which are the components of service sector, and here I am looking at the major component of service sector. So the options are A, transport, B, hospitality, C, information technology, and D, none of the above. And here anybody would tell that IT in India, at least it is the information and technology sector, or information and technology component of the service sector, which contributes in a major sense, or it is the major component of service sector. So I hope this is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about what is the share of industry in GDP of India. Share of particular sector I am asking. I am talking about the secondary sector or industry, to be very precise, and the underlying options are A, 27%, B, 16%, C, 6%, and D, 60%. And here the correct option is A, 27%, because the largest share of GDP is from the service sector, which is in tune of 50% and above. Then we have 27 to 30% from coming from the industry sector, and the remaining comes from, obviously, the primary sector or the agriculture sector. So I hope the idea of MCQ is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos with respect to the same. Thank you.